Hi YouTubers, I'm going to be washing my baby's clothes in this washing machine. Let's see how it works. She spilled food on it.
Now these washing machines can go up to about £27.
Yeah.
But ours was a little cheaper than that, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Uh-oh.
Did you not put the soap powder in?
No.
Oh no.
No, it won't get clean.
No, you need the soap powder in. And softener, really. But with these washing machines, you can actually get little tiny baskets and a little tiny box of washing powder. And they're quite cool. Can you maybe hand these a minute and
Spinning round.
that is really cool, isn't it?
Clothes.
Yeah, she needs fresh clothes. Oh, she's naked.
That should be it. No.
Let's see how clean they've got. Does it smell nice and clean?
Dolly. She's going to look pretty with that.
She is. Isn't that going to be a bit wet to just put on Dolly?
Yeah. We did do the doctor's video.
We did. And now we're doing one about a little washing machine, aren't we?
Yeah.
And how cool is that little washing machine?
You could get a kitchen and put it there. Her hand's not going in.
I bet you can buy little dryers and little microwaves and everything like that, can't you?
You probably can. But it probably would be expensive.
So Dolly's all nice and clean now, yeah?
Yeah.
And what would you say to the people if they wanted to buy one of these little washing machines? How good is it? How good is it?
Really. You could, if you had a tall kitchen, you can put this in there.
Do you want to show us what all the buttons are for?
That's for on. You do that for off.
Yeah?
Then when it's on, you spin it by pressing that one. Then if you want it to stop, you're like,
Wow.
this is why you put the powder.
Yeah. And the softener.
Yeah. That's where you put water. What's that?
So you recommend people to go and buy one if they haven't got one? Yeah?
It's fun to play with.
And it means Mummy don't have to wash your clothes. No, your clothes won't fit in there, will they?
Only babies.
Is that got to be in the washer now? That's turned to be washed, yeah. Put it in the washer then. All babies' clothes need to be washed. Yeah guys, these are really cool, so if you haven't got one, run down the shops and get one. Courtney loves it.
It smells nice.
Really smells nice. You've done a good job of washing it then. What are we going to say?
Bye YouTubers.
Don't forget
To comment and subscribe.
Bye now.